Good evening, and welcome to April's podcast of PBM Investments. The key news from last month in March. Snapchat IPO has commenced for billions of dollars in New York. The fallers from the FTSE 100 index because of the quarterly review. The companies were Dixon's Carphone Warehouse and Capita. The fallers from the FTSE 250, also because of the quarterly review, are CMC Markets, International Personal Finance, and N. Brown Group. The US Fed rose rates in March as well. CMC Markets jumped after it unveiled a deal with Australia and New Zealand Banking Group. Oil prices went below $50 a barrel in the biggest decline of the year this month also. Various stock exchanges, including London and New York and Tokyo, are all competing for the Saudi Arabian company Aramco. Bovis Home shares have jumped 82.5 to 910.5 as it's looking to be taken over by either house building rivals Redrow or Galford Try. Also this month, pound against the dollar continues to fall. Prime Minister Theresa May issues the Article 50 by issuing a letter to EU in Brussels as well. The EU Competitive Commission has also blocked the tie-up of 21 billion stock exchange London and Germany. So that tie-up will no longer happen. Samsung launches its brand new Galaxy S8 and hopes it will do better than its other flagship phone last year, the Note 7. That was recalled, if you remember, last year because of the batteries inside the phones were exploding. The National Grid had to sell 61% of its gas distribution network to a consortium involving China's CIC Capital, the Qatari Investment Authority, and the Australian investment bank Macquarie. Now, the key news to look out for this month in April. More details about the UK exit terms from the EU. Watch out for the Saudi Arabian oil company details of Aramco's IPO, which is meant to be the biggest in history. And now for the best rising stocks of last month in March. Number 1, BGEU Group. Number 2, Ultra Electronics. Number 3, Berkeley Group. And that concludes PBM Investments podcast. Thank you for listening. Take care and happy investing.